Alicia. I currently manage the Young Doctor programmes.
My name is Safia and I'm the Programme Manager for both the Psychology and Forensic Science programmes.
I'm Harold and I am the Programme Manager for Entrepreneur.
My name is Saffron. I'm the Programme Manager for the Artist and Fashion programmes.
To give you an overview of the Young Doctor summer experience, it's up to 2 weeks of a variety of different things. So there's immersive medical simulations in there to give the students a chance to have that real hands-on experience.
And some of the main highlights, we always find the Forensic Psychology Day, I think, is the most popular. They always really look forward to it at the end of week 1, and we have actors come in to do a simulated murder trial.
And then we get them to build their own bridges and we let them test them out with weights just to see who has the most structurally integral design. And we make it a bit of a competition just to see which one of them has applied that theory that they've learned.
So an exciting professional the students will get to meet with on the dentistry programme is actually our programme director, who throughout their career has actually led their own clinics and opened up their own business.
We also had some really great professionals across the programme. So we had some MPs, we had some international development experts and also some civil servants come to speak. We also were able to go to the House of Commons, which is always a classic for when you're coming to study politics.
So the main one that I know we've used before, the main venue is the Shard. It is a massive landmark in the UK here, so it is a big hit with the students.
My favourite, I think, site of all, which is Lasham, which is a working airfield.
One of the best site visits that we do on the law programme is actually to the Supreme Court. So it's the highest court in England and Wales.
On the final day of the programme, they get their own exhibition, their own catwalk at the ICA, which is a very well-known London Fashion Week venue. They've held exhibitions and catwalks for the likes of Valentino. So it's a really amazing chance for these students to have their work on a catwalk right by the Mall in Buckingham Palace. They have their own private entrance.
You get a group of students at the beginning who think that they might want to be vets, they love animals, they're interested in it, and then by the end they are, practically shaking with excitement to go out and start making their applications to vet school, to actually get hands-on and know what kind of specialism they want to go into as well.
We're always working with those key professionals in the industry to create such simulations and activities for students to really get hands-on with and enjoy.
It's so inspiring to see the next generation, especially in this industry, in the medical industry. They're so passionate, they're so caring.
Seeing, these students get to be really excited by something that I've been excited by all year, and I finally get to actually test them and get them to try, is really lovely.
They'll feel confident and empowered to make the choices that they want to make, and I really hope that they go away doing what they want to do rather than what they feel like they should do.